Meaning of Hugh Casson.
Hugh Casson.
Hugh Casson.
Hugh Casson.
Hugh Casson. Hugh Casson was an English architect, artist and designer who played an important role in the development of post-war British architecture and design. He was born in 1910 and died in 1999. Casson was known for his elegant and refined design style, which was influenced by his interest in classical architecture. He gained widespread recognition for his work as Director of Architecture at the Festival of Britain in 1951, and went on to work on numerous other high-profile projects throughout his career. Casson was also a prolific painter and illustrator, and his work can be found in galleries and private collections around the world.